do we have a new high? Let's see how the markets open. I'll let the clock do all the talking. First rates, Yes Bank off to a good start, Unitech off to a good start, Jaiprakash Ventures off to a good start. I'm picking up stocks purely based on price action. Zaggle, I can see there is a big block deal there. NBCC is off to a good start. So lots of stocks are flying around in terms of the breadth. The breadth, I think, is exceptionally strong. You're starting a brand new year, and you're starting a brand new year with exceptionally strong market breadth. Jio Financial Services 358, Aurobindo Pharma 3% higher, largely because of that, substitution of Pen-G, which they now will be able to manufacture and produce in India. And then you've got HDFC Bank and Infosys, which are giving some leadership to the Nifty per se. So not far away from an all-time high. Who would have imagined that in the middle of March? But I think for me the heartening part is the breadth, and the breadth is looking impressive, powerful, and almost like a charged up bull who's taking a fresh guard in this new year.
The trigger, of course, is that they're expecting that tax refund of 6,300 crore rupees from the IT department, wherein they got the tax demand for 2,700 crore rupees. There's JSW Steel as well, wherein one of their arms has commissioned a hot strip mill at Vijayanagar plant. Look out for that. HAL, that's Hindustan Aeronautics, they've bagged a sizable order from Cochin Shipyard to the tune of about 1,100 odd crore rupees, in excess of that actually. Torrent Power, which has got an LOA to set up a wind solar projects worth about 1,800 crore rupees. That stock also has gapped up about 5% in trade. There's RVNL, which is the lowest bidder for projects worth about 340 crore rupees, and JV lowest bidder for another $7 million project. RVNL as well gaps up 4.5% as we speak right now. Lupin, which has got the US FDA nod for one of the tablets, wherein the estimated sales stand at about 354 odd million. So look out for that stock as well. There's of course Garden Reach, wherein the annual turnover has crossed that 3,400 crore rupees mark, which is a growth of about 33%. That stock too over a 4% move coming in there. Veranda Solutions, which has acquired a 50% equity in Tapasya Educational Solutions. That stock. Landmark Cars, which is now expanding its brand offering on to Kia India as well. That stock higher by 1.25%. Tata Tech, which has got an upgrade from the house of Bank of America, target price 1250. And then Muthoot Finance as well, wherein Investec has initiated a long bunch of these stocks are in focus. What's Bajaj Finance up to? Because this was a very steady performer all through last week and really showed some leadership. Another 1% up in the green today. Let's see what L&T, ICICI Bank and Reliance Industries are up to. The other big boys from within the Nifty pack. 1% of an uptick coming in for L&T. Reliance Industries, ICICI Bank, less than 1%. Reliance fairly nimble at this juncture. But Kunal, what a move for the broader markets.
I think it's very encouraging, the move for the index as well as for the broader markets, and it seems like that this could be a fresh start and a positive start for the financial year also. Now, in terms of the opening trade, one of the sector which is making a comeback is the PSU banking names, and from there, Canara Bank is something which is looking attractive. That's a stock which I believe is inching closer to its previous major swing highs. So that's a stock which I look to trade in the open.
All right, let's get in a take from Naresh as well. And Naresh, what's your assessment of the open, the fact that the broader markets as well are taking leadership?
So in the last 30 minutes, we saw the ETF downtake on the Nifty, which has been recovered now. And now we set up for a new all-time high. Looks interesting. Metals and mining continues to be a focus. So JSW Steel looks interesting for a breakout going forward above 850. So at current levels, that's a buy.
All right. Thank you, Kunal and Naresh, for those trading ideas. Let me now introduce.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.